Hi dear friends, today I want to tell you about benefits of crafts and for healthy mindfulness. A study shows that creative crafting activities can help improve mental wellness. Crafting may reduce overthinking, improve focus, and even help with feelings of loneliness. When someone creates something with love, the brain releases happy chemicals that support relaxation and comfort. And the most beautiful things, you do not need expensive materials, only imagination, a few colorful pebbles, painting colors, some glue, some board, wooden board, and a peaceful moment for yourself. Every woman continued making craft every evening. Soon her small hobby turned into wall decor, the gifts for neighbors, and you can create your online business. When every evening after a city became quiet, I want to tell you a story now. Every evening after the city became quiet, a woman named Elena walked alone beside the river. No music, no phone, no noise, only the sound of water and the tiny pebbles beneath her shoes. People thought she collected stone for decorations, but the truth was different. She collected peace. Life had not been easy for Elena. Too many sleepless nights, too many worries hidden behind fake smiles. Her mind felt crowded all the time. One day, while sitting near the river, she picked up a tiny white pebble. It was smooth, calm, simple, and somehow holding that little sum made her feel lighter. So she brought it home. Then another and another. Soon, jars filled with pebbles covered her small apartment. One cold winter night during a power outage, Alina lit a candle and sat beside the window. The room was silent. Without thinking too much, she placed few pebbles onto the old wooden frame. One looked like a bird, another looked like a mother holding a child. Slowly she glued them down or passed quietly, and something beautiful happened for the first time in a long while. Her thoughts stopped racing. Pebble crafts have a calming effect on the human mind. The slow process of selecting shapes, arranging stones, and creating natural artwork help reduce mental stress. Creative crafting encourages mindfulness. It allows the brain to focus gently on the present moment inside of fear, anxiety, or overthinking. This is why so many people find peace in handmade art, especially art made from nature. Alina continued creating pebble art every night. She made stone family portraits, pebble birds on branches, rustic wall hanging, nature inspired shadow boxes, peaceful handmade gifts. Each artwork carried emotions, not loud emotions, quiet emotions, the kind that heals silently inner side of yourself. Soon friends started visiting the apartment. They noticed something special. The room felt calm, warm light, natural texture, soft handmade pebble art hanging on the walls. One friend asked, "How do your creations feel so peaceful?" Amelia smiled softly because every stone once survived storms. Will tell the story. One friend asked, "How do your crafts feel so peaceful?" And Alina said softly, "Because every stone once survived its charms." storms. That something stayed in every young's heart. Because pebbles are created through years of pressures, waves, and difficult journeys, and they become smooth and softful, beautiful. People are the same. Hard moments shaped gentle souls. Pebble crafting also teach patience and gratitude. You begin something, noticing beauty in simple things, in a tiny stone, a broken branch, an old wooden frame. Things another ignore become art in your hands, and slowly your heart becomes softer too. Months later, Alina started sharing her pebble craft online. Thousands of people watched her peaceful creation. Some said the video helped them sleep. Some said the art reduced their anxiety. Others said it inspired them to start crafting again. And Alina realized something important. Sometimes people do not need perfect words. Sometimes they only need quiet beauty. So if life really heavy, step outside for a moment, listen to nature, collect a few pebbles, create it slowly. Because healing does not always arrive loudly. Sometimes it arrives a tiny stone in your hand, and sometimes the smallest things carries the deepest peace. Thank you for your amazing response. Have a very nice and very good day. God bless you all. Take care. Stay blessed. Take care of yourself and your family members. Wishing you a very happy, beautiful, crafty ideas. My dear friends, today I want to tell you about benefits of crafts and for healthy mindfulness. Studies shows that creative crafting activities can help improve mental wellness. Crafting may reduce overthinking, improve focus, and even help with feelings of loneliness. When someone creates something with love, the brain releases happy chemicals that support relaxation and comfort. And the most beautiful things, you do not need expensive materials, only imagination, a few colorful pebbles, painting colors, some glue, some take some